I'm Mitch Couch with GoodlyEarth.com and you're watching Hometalk. What we did was I went ahead and used some cardboard, used a template that I had printed out and used it to trace out a hexagon. Then what I did was I used the sharp knife to cut out the cardboard. Next, I grabbed an old foam pad I had and also used the exact same template of the cardboard to trim that and cut it out. Once I had the cardboard and the foam separated, I used some regular old wood glue, put it down on the cardboard, and then glued the foam to it. It only takes about 20 minutes and it's together. The next step I did was I went ahead and grabbed some fabric. Now you can get multiple colors of fabric, really simple to do. Once these pieces are glued together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay the fabric out just like this, and what you'll do is turn it around with the foam down and the cardboard up. Start at the top, pull your fabric over, and just grab a stapler. Now this is only 1/2 inch size staples, and you can just put it in there and it holds it in place just like that. Next, take the bottom, fold it over, and pull it kind of tight. Once you get it tight on there, then what you can do is take the stapler again, put it on there, just a couple of staples. Now, when it comes to the sides, what you're gonna do is you're folding it like you're wrapping a gift. Put that side over just like that. A few staples. It's okay if the back doesn't look as pretty as you want it to. That'll be taken care of. Let's go ahead and turn this around. Do the same over here. I like to make sure any staples I put go through the fabric and through any fabric that's on the bottom. Now, you're more than welcome to trim any of this off, but what you get on the other side is you get your hexagon covered in fabric. You may even want to make a few half pieces like this. So what's going to happen is we're going to make as many of these as we need for our project, and when we come back, I'll show you the final project. And there it is, our final project. I wanted to make a cool headboard for my son for his new room. What I did was I took all the hexagons and on the back went ahead and used a paint stick and stapled through them to hold them together. He loves it and it just brightens up the room. I'm so glad you guys joined us this time, and I can't wait to see you again on Home Talk.